Hey everyone, welcome back. I just had to do a quick update for you guys. I'm working on lots of videos for you right now, updating you on the Cutflower farm, the perennial Cutflower bed, the vegetable gardens. I'm getting ready to plant my tomatoes. My husband and I just got that bed ready. So lots of videos coming out soon, but I just found something in the Ranunculus bed and I just had to do a quick video to show you. It's only been about a month since I updated you guys after getting this bed fully planted, and I just found my first bloom that I'm going to turn the camera around and show you, but I also just seen about 10 buds. I can't even express how excited I am. We're already getting to consistently getting 80-degree temperatures, so I was really scared that I wouldn't get any blooms off of these at all, because I've been told that they usually fizzle out after the temps are consistently over 70 degrees. So fingers crossed we get at least a couple more off of each plant. But look at the growth on these. I can't even believe it. Now, some are larger than others just because that's the order in which I was able to get them in the ground. So obviously I planted this bed first, and then this one, and then this one. And then I have some even smaller ones down here at the end that were planted later because I ordered from a couple different companies and they were shipped at different times. But look at these gorgeous, gorgeous, healthy looking, very happy, healthy looking ranunculus. Look, there's 5 or 6 there, 3 little ones here, the little one here, here, and they will get taller and bigger as time goes on. Looks like this one, oh wow, this one is super, super short. What? What in the world? There's a bloom inside of a bloom. Am I just going crazy right now? Do you see that? It's got leaves and another bud inside of this flower. And it's on like no stem. What in the world? And then if we come down here, look at this gorgeous, gorgeous ranunculus. Look at this beautiful thing. I'm so excited. So happy with this progress. And look at the peonies. I have a few that didn't come back this year that I'll need to replace on that side, but the ones on this side are doing great. And they are just blooming their little heads off for being only in their 2nd year. I took off all of the side buds so that there would only be like 5 to 8 per plant. And that will cause these to be larger instead of having like, 5 per stem. Alright guys, so that is it. I just wanted to give you a quick update. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed so you can see all of these beautiful ranunculus blooms here in just hopefully a couple weeks.